Paris. The name itself conjures images of cobblestone streets, charming cafes, and iconic landmarks. It's a city that has been immortalized in countless films, books, and songs, each capturing a piece of its timeless allure. The very mention of Paris evokes a sense of romance and wonder, a place where dreams come alive and the ordinary becomes extraordinary. It's a city that has captured hearts for centuries, inspiring artists, writers, and dreamers alike. From the bohemian streets of Montmartre, where artists set up their easels, to the cozy corners of cafes where writers pen their masterpieces, Paris is a muse that never ceases to inspire. The city's rich cultural tapestry is woven with the threads of creativity and passion. Paris is more than just a destination, it's an experience, a symphony for the senses. The aroma of freshly baked bread wafts through the air, mingling with the scent of blooming flowers in the gardens. The sound of street musicians playing soulful melodies adds a soundtrack to your journey. Every corner of Paris offers a new sensory delight, a new story waiting to be discovered. The City of Lights, as it's often called, shimmers with a unique energy. As the sun sets, the city transforms into a glittering wonderland, with the Eiffel Tower lighting up the night sky. The streets are bathed in a warm golden glow, inviting you to explore its nocturnal charm. Paris at night is a sight to behold, a magical experience that stays with you long after you've left. From the grandeur of the Eiffel Tower, standing tall and proud as a symbol of French ingenuity and elegance, to the intimate charm of its hidden courtyards, where time seems to stand still and every moment is a treasure, Paris offers something for everyone. Whether you're an art enthusiast, a history buff, or simply a lover of beauty, the city has a way of captivating your heart and soul. Its diverse attractions ensure that there's always something new to explore, something new to fall in love with. Whether you're strolling along the Seine hand in hand with a loved one, the river reflecting the golden hues of the setting sun, or exploring its world-class museums, like the Louvre with its vast collection of art and history, or the Musée d'Orsay with its stunning impressionist masterpieces, Paris promises an unforgettable journey. Every visit is a new adventure, a new chapter in your own Parisian story. The memories you create here will be cherished for a lifetime. Paris is a city that invites you to slow down, to savor the moment. In a world that often rushes by, Paris encourages you to take a breath, to enjoy the simple pleasures of life. It's a place to indulge in delicious pastries, each bite a testament to the city's culinary artistry. Sip coffee at a sidewalk cafe, watching the world go by as you immerse yourself in the rhythm of Parisian life, and watch the world go by. The people, the fashion, the effortless elegance of it all, it's a scene that never gets old. So come with me and let's discover the magic of Paris together. Let's wander its streets, uncover its secrets, and fall in love with this city of dreams. Paris awaits, with open arms and endless possibilities. Paris boasts a history as rich and layered as its buttery croissants. From its humble beginnings to its rise as a global metropolis, the city has always been a beacon of culture and history. Founded by a Celtic tribe known as the Parisii, the city has witnessed empires rise and fall. The Parisii settled on the banks of the Seine, laying the groundwork for what would become one of the most iconic cities in the world. The Romans, who called it Lutetia, left their mark with ancient baths and arenas, remnants of which can still be seen today. These ruins offer a glimpse into the city's Roman past, showcasing the architectural prowess and urban planning of the era. The Middle Ages saw Paris flourish as a center of learning and religion, with the construction of the Notre Dame Cathedral. This Gothic masterpiece, with its intricate designs and towering spires, became a symbol of the city's spiritual and cultural renaissance. The Renaissance brought about a new era of artistic and intellectual growth. Paris became a hub for artists, thinkers, and scholars, fostering an environment where creativity and knowledge thrived. Think of iconic figures like Leonardo da Vinci, drawn to the city's vibrant energy. The Renaissance period saw the birth of many artistic masterpieces and innovations that continue to influence the world today. The French Revolution, a pivotal moment in history, unfolded on Paris's streets. This period of radical social and political upheaval reshaped the nation and left an indelible mark on the city's identity. Witnessing the storming of the Bastille, the city became a symbol of change and upheaval. The fall of the Bastille prison marked the beginning of a new era, one that championed liberty, equality, and fraternity. Through these turbulent times, Paris emerged as a global capital of art, fashion, and culture. Today, the city continues to inspire and captivate, drawing millions of visitors who come to experience its timeless charm and vibrant spirit. Paris is often called the city of love, and for good reason. The city's romantic ambiance is undeniable. It's in the air you breathe, the sights you see, the very essence of Parisian life. Imagine strolling hand in hand along the Seine at sunset, the Eiffel Tower sparkling in the distance. Picture yourselves sharing a bottle of wine at a cozy bistro, serenaded by the gentle strumming of a guitar. Paris is a city that celebrates love in all its forms. From grand gestures to quiet moments of intimacy, Paris provides the perfect backdrop for romance. It's a place where couples can reconnect, rekindle their love, and create memories that will last a lifetime. My first trip to Paris was a solo adventure. I remember arriving at the Gare du Nord, the city's bustling train station, and feeling a wave of excitement wash over me. Armed with a map and a thirst for exploration, I set off to discover the city's secrets. I wandered aimlessly, losing myself in the labyrinthine streets of the Latin Quarter. I stumbled upon hidden courtyards, each with its own unique charm. I sat in cafes sipping espresso and observing the Parisian way of life. One evening I found myself at a small jazz club in the Marais district. The music was soulful, the atmosphere electric. As I listened to the musicians pour their hearts into their instruments, I felt a profound sense of connection with the city and its people. Paris is a city brimming with iconic landmarks and hidden gems. Of course, no trip to Paris is complete without a visit to the Eiffel Tower. This iron giant dominates the skyline, offering breathtaking views from its summit. The Louvre Museum houses masterpieces like Leonardo da Vinci's Mona Lisa. Spend hours getting lost in the world's most extensive art collection. Notre Dame Cathedral, with its Gothic architecture and stained glass windows, is a testament to the city's rich history. But beyond these well-trodden paths lie hidden treasures waiting to be discovered. Explore the charming neighborhood of Montmartre, a haven for artists with its cobblestone streets and quaint cafes. Discover the serene Canal Saint-Martin, perfect for a leisurely stroll or a picnic lunch. Getting around Paris is easy thanks to its efficient public transportation system. The metro, with its extensive network, is the quickest and most affordable way to travel between arrondissements or districts. Consider purchasing a Paris Visite Pass for unlimited travel on the metro, bus, and RER, the regional train. Buses offer a more scenic way to explore the city. Hop on and off as you please, taking in the sights and sounds of Paris. The best time to visit Paris is in the shoulder seasons: spring, which is April to May, and fall, which is September to October. The weather is pleasant, and the crowds are smaller than in the peak summer months. Paris is a city steeped in history and lore. Here are a few fascinating facts about the City of Lights. The Eiffel Tower was initially meant to be a temporary structure for the 1889 World's Fair. There's only one stop sign in the entire city of Paris. The Louvre Museum is so vast that it would take approximately 100 days to see every single piece of art. The iconic gargoyles of Notre Dame Cathedral are not just decorative, they serve as functional rain spouts. Paris is home to over 1,800 historical fountains, each with its own unique story. As I reflect on my time in Paris, I'm filled with a sense of wonder and appreciation. The city has a way of capturing your heart and soul, leaving an indelible mark that stays with you forever. From the moment you arrive, you're greeted with an atmosphere that is both vibrant and serene, a perfect blend of old-world charm and modern elegance. Paris is a city that stays with you long after you've left its cobblestone streets behind. The narrow alleys and grand boulevards, each with their own unique stories, invite you to explore and discover. Every corner of Paris has a tale to tell, from the bustling markets to the quiet, hidden courtyards. It's a place where history, art, and romance intertwine to create an experience that is both magical and unforgettable. The Louvre, with its vast collection of art, offers a journey through time, while the romantic ambiance of the city makes every moment feel like a scene from a classic film. The vintage photos of Paris landmarks remind us of the city's rich heritage and timeless appeal. Whether you're strolling along the Seine, watching the boats glide by and the historic bridges standing tall, or simply enjoying the golden hues of the sunset reflecting on the water, the river offers a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Indulging in a croissant at a local boulangerie is a quintessential Parisian experience. The aroma of freshly baked pastries fills the air, and each bite is a taste of perfection. Sitting at an outdoor cafe, watching the world go by, you can't help but feel a deep connection to the city's vibrant culture. Or gazing at the Eiffel Tower's twinkling lights, a sight that never fails to inspire awe. As the tower sparkles against the night sky, it serves as a beacon of the city's enduring allure. Tourists and locals alike gather to capture this iconic moment, creating memories that will last a lifetime. Paris offers a feast for the senses. The vibrant colors of the flower markets, the creativity of street artists, and the exquisite flavors of French cuisine all come together to create a sensory experience like no other. Each element adds to the city's unique charm and makes every visit a new adventure. It's a city that invites you to slow down, to savor the moment, and to fall in love with life all over again. Whether you're sitting at a cafe, relaxing in a garden, or taking in a scenic view from a park, Paris encourages you to appreciate the beauty in the everyday. So if you're looking for an escape, a place where you can leave your worries behind and immerse yourself in a world of beauty and inspiration, Paris is the perfect destination. The journey begins the moment you start packing your bags and continues as you explore the city's many wonders, a journey that will ignite your soul and leave you with cherished memories. From the iconic landmarks to the hidden gems, every experience in Paris is a story waiting to be told. The smiles and laughter of fellow travelers remind you that you're part of something special, a shared adventure in the City of Lights. Look no further than Paris. The city offers a perfect blend of history, culture, and romance, making it an ideal destination for anyone seeking to be inspired and enchanted. From the sunrise views of the Eiffel Tower to the charming streets of Montmartre, every moment in Paris is a treasure. The City of Lights awaits, ready to enchant you with its timeless beauty and undeniable charm. As the streets come alive with music and the lights illuminate the night, you'll find yourself falling in love with Paris over and over again.